A companion lacking reliability proves more troublesome than rainfall. The latter necessitates seeking refuge, while the former compels exploration outdoors. Cultivate the personality you desire, and over time, you will embody that very character. People may appear virtuous from a distance. Steer clear of excessive sweetness, which may lead to exploitation, and bitterness, which may result in rejection. Confronted with two evils, a pessimist opts for both. Stay engaged with the community. Adam, the first fortunate man, found joy without a mother-in-law. Live with a curious spirit, intelligence is not confined to chickens but also resides in eggs, albeit with the unfortunate tendency to spoil quickly. View mistakes as valuable experiences. Be wary of a goat ahead, a horse behind, and fools all around. While God cannot be everywhere, mothers were designed to bridge the gap. Despite the allure of love's sweetness, it cannot be molded into a skewer. If money can resolve an issue, consider it a cost rather than a problem. Sustaining profound silence proves more arduous than expressing wise words. While money can bring some fulfillment to life, its absence can make existence seem unbearable. Knowledge doesn't require much space. Shape your thoughts to allow for a change in direction. True wisdom is exemplified through acts of kindness. If charitable deeds incurred no costs, everyone would readily engage in philanthropy. Aging may dim eyesight, but it can also enhance one's overall perception. The ratio of 2 ears to 1 mouth suggests the importance of listening more and speaking less. Monetary complaints are widespread, yet cognitive shortcomings often go unacknowledged. Embark on your journey despite imperfect conditions. The act of starting itself has the power to transform them. Both guests and fish become undesirable after the 3rd day. Fear is a pervasive element in life, especially within the realm of love. God provides protection to the destitute, shielding them from the consequences of expensive sins. While life's improvement may be delayed, deterioration waits for no one. Be cautious of those who may seem benevolent but might harbor malevolence. Living with purpose involves dedicating one's life to the service of others. Parents teach their children to speak, and in return, children impart the value of silence to their parents. The consequences for a dishonest person are distinctive. Even when they speak the truth, their credibility remains elusive. An unmarried woman experiences a renewal of vitality upon marriage. Those without children often demonstrate exceptional caregiving skills. The survival of our world depends not merely on the quantity of individuals, but on the quality of humanity. Our lives are no longer private, they are intertwined with the needs of those in desperate circumstances. Succumbing to laughter is a more preferable fate than yielding to fear. While divine assistance is sought in times of ascension, the responsibility of managing a fall rests on oneself. It is advisable to refrain from uttering words intended to be kept secret, as inevitably they will be revealed. Gray hair is a sign of aging rather than an absolute indicator of wisdom. A virtuous person stands up after encountering setbacks on 7 occasions. To arouse desire, the initial step is to ignite a sense of sexual attraction. During periods of inactivity, people often embark on ambitious ventures.